Hi everyone, today I will demonstrate you how to crochet very cute baby hat. I'll be using crochet hook 4.5mm and suitable acrylic yarn. Let's get started. Chain 4 and create a ring. Then chain 2 and 13 double crochets into the ring. So I finished the first round and I will close it with slip stitch. Chain 2, then 2 double crochets in every stitch until the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to the first stitch, and I have 26 double crochets for round 2 and round 3. Chain 2. I'll work 2 double crochets in each unpaired stitch and 1 double crochet in each pair stitch. So 2 double crochets into the first stitch and 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat this step all around. And 1 double crochet into the last stitch, then join with slip stitch to the first stitch, and for round 3 I have 39 stitches. For round 4 chain 2, yarn over, 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 1 double crochet in each next stitch all around. I'll finish the round with slip stitch. I have 4 rounds completed. Then round 5. Round 5 will be same as round 4, so chain 2 and 1 double crochet in every stitch. Join with slip stitch and I have 5 rounds completed. Then round 6, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2 double crochets in the first stitch, yarn over, skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches, then 3 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, and 3 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets. Skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets and repeat 3 double crochets, skip 2 stitches, 3 double crochets, yarn over and 3 double crochets after the 2 skipped stitches. Skip 2 stitches, yarn over, skip 2 stitches and make the last 3 double crochets for the round 6. Then I will join to the second double crochet to close the round. Then round 7, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and in this second double crochet from previous round I'll work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, yarn over, I'll work 3 double crochets in the middle stitch of the next 3 double crochets from the previous round. 1 double crochet, yarn over, 2 double crochet, yarn over, and 3 double crochet. So repeat this step all around. In every middle stitch from the 3 double crochets from previous round, work 3 double crochets. Now I'll join with slip stitch to the second double crochet, and I'll be moving in the next round. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be round 8, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then repeat the previous round, round 7, chain 3, 2 double crochets, yarn over, and make new 3 double crochets in the middle stitch of the next 3 double crochets from previous round, and repeat until the end of the round. And join with slip stitch to the second double crochet. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rounds completed. Then round 10, chain 2, yarn over, and make front post double crochet in the first double crochet from the 3 double crochets from previous round. This is the first 3 double crochets, so 1 front post double crochet, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. This is the second double crochet, yarn over, then 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in next stitch, yarn over, and front post double crochet. Repeat this step all around. So I finished this round, and I'll join to the first front post double crochet. Then round 11, chain 2, yarn over, in each front post double crochet I'll work front post double crochet, in each double crochet I'll work double crochet. Double crochet in the last double crochet, then join with slip stitch, and this round is completed. Thank you to stay with me until the end of this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.